All right, another day, another project. Today we are installing a French drain. So French drains are used when you have water that's been pooling up in your yard, and maybe it's standing water, maybe your yard is like really muddy after it rains and it's just not able to dry out. So what we do is we come in and we're gonna start running pipes and gravel, and we'll show you the whole process here. So we got the prep work started here. So we took a sod cutter, we got all the sod up, we moved it over to the side, and now we're gonna come in with the excavator and get all this dirt out. Forgot to mention, first thing we do is we call the 811 number, the Ohio Dig Before You Call. So we got a bunch of little flags around here with all the utility lines marked out. So that way we're not hitting anything, cutting any wires, ruining anybody's day with, no electricity or cable or whatnot. So that is the first step for doing this. So we got a bit of an assembly line set up. So Kelsey is over here with the mini excavator. Fun fact about her, she is an Army vet, and this is what she used to do in the military, was run machinery like this. And then over here, we've got the trailer set up. Dane is unloading the dirt into the trailer now. Yeah. We're back on next day of this drain project. So here's what we got going on. Drain starts down at the other end, everything flows down here. Basically what we've done is we made a burrito inside of a yard. So get your fabric, and then it's got gravel, and it's also got the pipe. So the fabric prevents soil from washing into the gravel and clogging it up. It goes down into the gravel. All right, we're wrapping up here. So we got sod back in place. Dane is doing some cleanup, and it's all done.